The other component of why you want to change or upgrade your DAS has to do with features. 5G brings a whole new set of features that 4G did not have with it. We've kind of alluded to and talked about the enhanced mobile broadband. That's the high-speed data rates, the ability to get up to 20 gigs per second on download. But the other thing that 5G brings with us is extreme capacity. And the way that you can achieve these features, it really has to do with how your network is built and developed. If your DAS was built and constructed with 3G in mind or 4G in mind, chances are that in order to utilize some of these 5G features, you're going to need to densify your network. And some of that has to do with radios, some of that has to do with antennas, but there's a good chance that you're going to have to change the construction of your DAS just to upgrade to keep up with these new features.